AILEIKE W50B Blackbody radiation source. Temperature range 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. If other temperature ranges are required, customization is available. Next, how to calibrate an infrared thermometer using a blackbody radiation source. Firstly, how is the blackbody radiation source connected to the power cord? The customized power supply for this radiation source is 110V. So we need a dual voltage transformer and one 110V national standard plug power cord. We can customize dual voltage transformers and plug power cords for various countries. For example, national standard plugs, American standard plugs, British standard plugs, Japanese standard plugs, European standard plugs. As shown in the figure, customization is available upon request. The transformer has been connected to the power supply. Then plug the 110V power cord into the radiation source power interface. Insert the other end of the power cord into the 110V power interface of the transformer. Do not connect it incorrectly. Then turn on the fan power first. Turn on the main power again. The blackbody radiation source will automatically enter standby mode. Then take out the infrared thermometer. Then lower the temperature of the radiation source to 0 degrees Celsius. Set the temperature to 0 degrees Celsius first. Press the left button to shift the number to the third digit. Then press the key to set the number to 0. Next, press the SET button to confirm that the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius has been successfully set. Then switch the radiation source mode to cooling mode. Press the SET button for 3 seconds first. Press the key again and select the PUD value. Then press the SET button to confirm. Press the key again and select GOUT. Then press the SET key and select OACT. Continue pressing the up and down keys to select the heating and cooling mode. REV is the heating mode. FWD is the cooling mode. We choose the cooling mode and press the SET button to confirm. Finally, press the SET button for 3 seconds to return to the original state. After successfully setting the cooling mode, adjust the knob to cool down again. The blackbody radiation source starts to automatically cool down. When the temperature drops to 0 degrees Celsius, take out the infrared thermometer and aim it at the temperature measuring chamber. The infrared thermometer measures a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Next, let's proceed with the heating process. Firstly, the temperature of the radiation source should be raised to room temperature. Heating can only be carried out when the radiation source is at room temperature. Turn the knob to stop, then let the radiation source naturally heat up to room temperature. It can be seen that the temperature of the radiation source has risen to room temperature. Continuing the process of heating up, set the required temperature value of 30 degrees Celsius first. Press the left button to shift to the 4th position. Press the up key again to adjust the number to 3. Then press the SET button to confirm that the temperature setting is successful. Then switch the radiation source to heating mode. Press the SET button for 3 seconds first. Press the key again and select the PUD value. Then press the SET button to confirm. Press the key again and select GOUT. Then press the SET key again and select OACT. Then press the key to select the heating mode. Press the SET button to confirm that the heating mode has been successfully set. Finally, press the SET button for 3 seconds to return to the original display state. Then adjust the knob to heat up. The blackbody radiation source starts to automatically heat up. When the temperature rises to 30 degrees Celsius, take out the infrared thermometer and aim it at the temperature measuring chamber. The temperature measured by the infrared thermometer is 30 degrees Celsius. Next, set the next temperature value to 60 degrees Celsius. Finally, press the SET button to confirm. The blackbody radiation source will continue to automatically heat up. When the temperature rises to 60 degrees Celsius, take out the infrared thermometer and aim it at the temperature measuring chamber. The temperature measured by the infrared thermometer is 60 degrees Celsius. Continue setting the next temperature value of 100 degrees Celsius. Finally, press the SET button to confirm. The blackbody radiation source will continue to heat up. When the temperature rises to 100 degrees Celsius, take out the infrared thermometer and aim it at the temperature measuring chamber. The measured temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Next, let's proceed with the cooling process. Turn the knob to stop. Then the radiation source begins to naturally cool down. When the temperature of the blackbody radiation source drops to room temperature, finally, turn off the main power and fan, and the measurement is complete. Next, let me introduce the precautions when using a blackbody radiation source. 1. The power supply of the blackbody radiation source is 110 V, and a dual voltage transformer and a 110 VN national standard plug power cord need to be customized. 2. When a blackbody radiation source is connected to a power cord, please do not connect it incorrectly. The power supply is 110 VN. 3. When heating and cooling, the temperature of the radiation source must be kept at room temperature before heating and cooling can be carried out. 4. After measuring the temperature rise and fall, the radiation source temperature must be raised to room temperature before turning off the power.